Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning into this video. My name is Josie, and today I will be showing you how to make this delicious Okonghobong soup the Cameroon way. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. The two main ingredients for this recipe are Okonghobong leaves and egusi. Okonghobong leaves are also known as fluted pumpkin leaves. See how fresh our Okonghobong leaves are looking. We will also be using this green egusi. It is very nutritive. We'll equally be needing meat, crayfish. This is our egusi already grounded. Onions, leeks, salt and seasoning cubes, and lastly, kanwa to blanch the vegetables. We start by selecting our vegetables. The essence here is to take away all strong stems. After that, we arrange and then we slice our vegetables. A quick reminder for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. These are our Okonghobong leaves, nicely sliced. We proceed to season our meat. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I added in some salt, seasoning cube, white pepper, and some ginger powder. I gave it a good mix and then I set aside to marinate for about 30 minutes before boiling. We put a pot of water on the fire and bring to a boil. We then proceed to mix our egusi. We pour in some warm water and mix. Our meat has been boiling on the fire for about 10 minutes now. And since the egusi cooks for long, we add in the egusi to cook together with the meat. So we boil this for about 25 to 30 minutes. At this point, our water is boiling on the fire and it's time to blanch our vegetables. We pour in some of the kanwa and then we add in the vegetables. Please always dissolve the kanwa before use so that you don't introduce sand into your vegetables. We stir the vegetables into the hot water for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we touch if it's a bit soft. If it's a bit soft, you pour into a colander and quickly add in cold water so as to stop the cooking process immediately. Otherwise, the Okonghobong continues to cook and it might get too soft. And then we give it a good rinse so as to take away all the kanwa from the vegetables. After that, we squeeze and we set aside. As you can see, our vegetables are looking so green. Our egusi and meat have been cooking for about 25 minutes. It's ready and it's time to take it off the fire. Put in a pot on the fire and then add in some oil. Heat up the oil for a while and then we saute the onions. We saute the onions for about 2 minutes and then we add in the leeks. We saute for another 2 minutes and then we bring in some seasoning. I use ginger powder, garlic powder and some white pepper. Please feel free to use the fresh ginger and garlic. We saute for a while and then we reintroduce our meat and egusi into the pot. We stir and at this point we need to adjust with some seasoning. I added in 2 seasoning cubes. And some salt. I gave it a good mix and then I tested and adjusted with some more salt. I added in some pepper for heat. And I gave it a good stir. At this point, we bring in our vegetables. We give it a good mix. And the last but not the least ingredient is our crayfish. You roughly blend your crayfish and you add into the pot. We give it a good mix and then we cover to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And our soup is ready. We will be having this delicious soup with some white yam. As you can see, the yam is boiling on the other burner. Food is ready and it's time to serve and enjoy. Here we are with our delicious Okonghobong soup and white yam. This soup is a must-have in all Cameroonian occasions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.